Today I'm going to start the doubt session. Question number 2. E 8y equals to 36. From the same question, G part A upon 5 is equals to 7 upon 15. Question number 3. D 3p upon 10 equals to 6. And from exercise 4.3, question number 1. C A upon 5 plus 3 equals to 2. And G 7m plus 19 upon 2 equals to 13. Let's see question number 2, E part. In this question we have given 8y is equals to 36. So what is the meaning of this 8y? The meaning of 8y is 8 multiplied by y. So to remove 8 from the left hand side, what we need to do? We will do the opposite of it. So multiply 8 means divide 8. So in this we will divide 8 both sides. Okay. Dividing 8 both sides by dividing both sides by 8. Okay. So what we will have here 8y upon 8 equals 36 upon 8. When you will reduce it, what you will get here, see this 8 and this 8 will be cancelled. You will have here y only, and here in table of 8 36 is not there. Okay, I mean to say 36 is not the multiple of 8. So we have to choose the number which is the multiple of both the number. Either you can take 2 or you can take 4. So I am taking the highest one. So we will divide it with 4. 4 9 is 36 and 4 2 is 8. So the answer is y equals to 9 upon 2. Now I am taking another question. G part. A upon 5 is equals to 7 upon 15. So here what you need to do. As like the previous question. In previous question we are doing the multiplication, but here in this question we are doing division. So in that condition we need to divide. Sorry, multiply. The opposite of divide is multiply. So a multiplied by 5 upon 5 is equals to 7 multiplied by 5 upon 15. Okay. So here when you will reduce it, what you will have here, this 5 with this 5 will cancel, and 5 on the 5, 5 3 the 15. So you will have here in left hand side a, and here 7 upon 3. Now next question. Question number 3, D part. 3p upon 10 is equals to 6. Here we will do the same thing. The question is in division. So positive divide is multiply. So multiply both sides. So 3p multiply by 10 upon 10 will become here. In the right hand side 6 multiply by 10. Okay. So when you will reduce it, this 10 and this 10 will be cancelled, and you multiply this. So you will get here 60. So the answer will come here 3p is equals to 60. Now after that you need to remove this 3. So for this you can see that these two are in multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is what? Division. Just like similar to the E part, question number 2 E part. So here we will divide 3 both sides. So we'll have the 3p upon 3, and another side 60 upon 3. Okay. So when you will reduce it, 3 will and 3 just cancel, and 3 and 60 when you will divide, you will get 20. So answer is P equals to 20. Now I am taking exercise 4.3, question number 1. A upon 5 plus 3 equals to 2. Question is A upon 5 plus 3 is equals to 2. So first we need to remove this 3. So how you will remove? By transposition. So see this sign. Here we have plus. So when we'll transpose it, this will come to this side in minus. Okay. So while transposing 3 to right hand side, you will have A upon 5 is equals to 2 minus 3. We know that when you will solve it, we will get here minus 1 to the right hand side. So We will write here a upon 5 equals to minus 1. Now what we need to do, we need to shift this 5 to this side. For this we can see that here these are in division and the opposite of division is multiplication. Multiply 5 both sides. So we'll have here a is equals to minus 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, so answer is a equals to minus 5. Now I am taking the last part. 7m plus 19 upon 2 equals to 13. Here also we need to do the same thing. Remove this. So what we need to do? Transposition. So transposition 19 upon 2 to the right hand side. So we will have here 7m is equals to 13 minus 19 by 2. Why? Why there is a minus sign? Because in this side, left hand side, 19 by 2 is a positive number. When we are transposing it, it will changes into negative. So 7m is equals to, you have to solve this part by yourself. Then afterward, what you need to do, I'm telling you afterwards. Okay. See there. We need to divide. Here 7m is in multiplication. So opposite of this is division. So here we will do division. Divide 7 both sides. When you will divide it, you will get here m, sorry, the value of m. Okay, that's all for the today. Whatever the answer you get here, you tell me and write it at comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.